G'day, today we're mastering the art of Brunoise, the tiny cube that makes a huge difference. We'll start by peeling the onion, keeping the root mass intact. Cut the top of the onion off, minimizing waste. Next, trim the root mass, removing only visible roots. Gently run your knife along the side of the onion, piercing the top layers of dry skin. Peel back to the first layer of usable flesh. Place the onion topside down and cut in half, still leaving that root mass intact. This will help hold the onion layers together for easier prep work. Start making lengthwise cuts almost to the root end, but not cutting all the way through. Cutting from the outer layer of flesh to the innermost layer, following the shape of the onion. This will give consistent dice size, and you can adjust the dice size by increasing or decreasing the width of the cuts. Finally, slice downwards through the onion to create small, even dice. Brunoise. Look at that perfect brunoise. Fine, even, and ready to elevate your dishes. Use it in sauces, soups, stews, and more. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes.